Begin with clean and dry fur. Brush with a comb or a slicker brush first to get out any mats or tangles. Using a hairdryer with high airflow and a hot temperature, begin heating up the fur. Work on small areas at a time, like shown in this example, and then take your time with it so you can fully manage the region. So why does this work? Faux fur is made up of monocrylic and acrylic polymer fibers that have characteristics that are thermoplastic, so polymers can be heat set when done carefully and in a controlled way. During the manufacturing process, faux fur is heat set on huge rollers that give the fur the pile direction that you see. If you tossed faux fur in the dryer with heat, it is the heat plus uncontrolled compression that ruins it, and compression from resting on a shelf or improper storage can easily give the fur wrinkles. Some faux fur naturally clumps together, so this can help some, but it will tend to still clump because of the nature of the fur. Controlled heat is helpful for guiding and styling the fur fibers back where you want them. Use your fingers to check that the area is evenly heated and smooth the fibers. Brush the warm fur flat. Fur still degrades and wears out with use, so only do this process when necessary, often when the fur is crumpled, crimped, or exhibiting wrinkles. I hope you learned something today, and if you enjoy the tutorials that I provide, consider supporting me on Patreon. To check out more guides and articles, visit my website, matrices.net.